Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Windows Firewall with advanced security detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Windows Firewall with advanced security, start by clicking on the Start menu. In the search box, type Windows Defender Firewall and press Enter. Once the firewall window opens, look for the option on the left that says Advanced Settings and click on it. This will launch the Windows Firewall with advanced security interface. On the left panel, you will see an overview of the firewall settings and profiles. Check that the profiles you want to configure are enabled. To activate the firewall for a specific profile, click on either Inbound Rules or Outbound Rules in the left panel. In the Actions pane on the right, select Enable Rule for any rules you want to activate. If you need to create a new rule, click on New Rule in the Actions pane. Follow the New Rule wizard to customize your settings. You can select various rule types such as Program, Port, or Predefined. Choose the appropriate option based on your needs and click Next. You will then be prompted to specify the program or port numbers related to the rule. Continue following the prompts to define the rule's action. Decide whether to allow or block the connection, then click Next. Choose when the rule applies, such as domain, private, or public. Once you complete the wizard, review your settings, and click Finish to create the rule. You can also customize existing rules by selecting them and clicking on Properties. In the Properties window, you can adjust settings like Action, Pro. To ensure that your firewall is active, monitor the Overview section at the top left of the interface. After configuring your rules and settings, close the Windows Firewall with Advanced Security window. Your changes will be saved automatically and the firewall will be active based on the settings you've defined. You can periodically return to this interface to modify or review your firewall settings as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.